Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to destination for powerful machines and luxury on wheels. Today, we've got something absolutely jaw-dropping to talk about. The 2025 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome. This is not your typical RV. It's a rolling palace built on a truck that means business. Let's start with the basics. The Kenworth W1100 is based on Kenworth's legendary long-nose truck platform. So yes, it's got that iconic front grille and classic American trucker look. But the moment you step inside, it's a completely different world. A world of luxury, space, and technology. Under the hood, the W1100 doesn't mess around. It features a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that delivers up to 605 horsepower and over 2,050 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough to haul not just this massive home, but also anything you decide to tow behind it, whether it's a trailer, a car, or even a boat. Now let's talk driving experience. Despite its size, the W1100 handles surprisingly well, thanks to the latest automated transmission and adaptive air suspension. The ride is smooth, quiet, and confidence-inspiring. And with its advanced driver assist features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, driving this beast feels safer than ever. But where this motorhome really flexes is on the inside. Open the door, and you're welcomed into a space that rivals five-star hotel suites. We're talking hand-stitched leather seating, genuine hardwood flooring, and custom cabinetry throughout. The living area features theater-style recliners, a large smart TV, and a fireplace for those cozy nights on the road. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with a full-size residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and quartz countertops. Storage is everywhere: drawers, overhead cabinets, and even hidden compartments. And the bedroom? Absolutely stunning. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, dual nightstands with wireless charging, a walk-in closet, and even a washer and dryer combo tucked neatly into the corner. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rain-style shower, porcelain toilet, and a full vanity with LED backlighting. Technology-wise, the W1100 comes loaded. You get satellite internet, a central touchscreen command system, smart climate control, and even app-based control for lighting, shades, and security. What's more, Kenworth offers full customization options. That means you can personalize the IDUD, layout, finishes, tech packages, and even exterior paint jobs to suit your style. Of course, this kind of craftsmanship and power comes with a price. The 2025 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome starts at around $750,000, and with custom upgrades, it can easily cross the $1 million mark. But for those who want to live large on the road without compromising on comfort or performance, this might just be the ultimate dream machine. So, what do you think? Would you take the W1100 cross-country or make it your full-time home on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an epic review. Thanks for riding with us here on Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring power, luxury, and performance straight to your screen. See you in the next one.